Welcome guys to a brand new video. In this video, I'll talk about which formula is the best, the index match, the VLOOKUP or the XLOOKUP. Now the lookup thing we'll use in our everyday corporate life and we'll mostly use the VLOOKUP formula, but it has many limitations. So many people use the index match formula as well. But quite recently, Microsoft Excel has developed the XLOOKUP formula. So I'll perform all this formula here and then will tell you which one is best and most importantly, easy to use. Now let's talk about the data we have. Now currently we have a raw trial. So take it this as your system generated trial balance, and this trial is where we do the mapping and all, and finally we'll prepare our financial statement. So basically what we'll do is we'll fetch the data from the raw trial to here using the lookup functions. So let's just start with the VLOOKUP formula. So I'll put the VLOOKUP formula here. So now the VLOOKUP formula states that the lookup value, the table array, and the column number. So let's just dive into the formula. It's VLOOKUP. Now the lookup value would be this one, the account code, right? Now let's go to the table. The table would be, I'll select a whole for now, and the column index will use this one. So column 1, 2, 3. It will be 3, comma 0. So I'll get this value, right? Now I just say that, for example, for if this value would be here, like for thing is the way lookup use like this. You have to always go to the right. VLOOKUP cannot access the left value. Like for example, if we want like this data would be like here, then we'll won't be able to use the VLOOKUP formula. So now I'll perform the XLOOKUP. And no, sorry, I'll start with the index match. Now this is a bit complicated formula, so I'll show you the formula first. This is the index match. While I'll perform, I'll explain. Let's first type the index. Now this is the array. Like by array, it means the where is the table. The table would be this one. So I'll select A to C, the whole, right? Now we have to match it. Now is the match. Now let's just say the lookup value. Again, the lookup value would be this. The lookup array would be this one. And the match type would be exact match. We'll want the exact value. So we'll put 0, bracket close. The match formula has been done. Now we have to close the index formula. Now it's demanding the column number. Again, the column would be 3 because this 1, 2, 3, comma 0. Now we'll get this one. Now in index match, we can have this function, right? For example, if the C would be located here, index match can do this. It can go to the left side as well. Now for the XLOOKUP formula, which is extremely easy to use, and this is a newly added function. Now I'll show you the XLOOKUP formula first. Now this is XLOOKUP. But it is quite similar to VLOOKUP, and it is like combination for VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP as well. So let's just see the formula. XLOOKUP. Lookup value would be this. The lookup array would be this one. I'll search that value here, and the return array would be C. See, this is how easy it is. Now we just quickly grab the formula here. Now, why this is coming as NA? Because in the raw trial, it is not like, for example, I want to say that it is not here. So it is saying NA. So how you can like show that it is not coming as NA. Instead, it will come as 0. So I'll type an if error and just close it as 0. Now if I drag it, it will come as 0. Same for the VLOOKUP and for the XLOOKUP. What I can do is, if not found, it is showing this way. If not found, I can add 0 here. And hopefully this works. Yeah. So you can see that for the XLOOKUP, it is combination of VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, all the functions that index match do, and also we don't need to add the fheader function as well. So the winner is XLOOKUP. This is the most easy to use, the best one, and it will save a lot of time. So thank you. That's it for the video. I'll close my video with a quote. Just do your best and leave to God all the rest. Thank you. If you like my content, please like my channel and subscribe to it. It really helps me out a lot. Bye guys.